In today's video, we're going to be looking at Cryptotab browser. We're going to be looking on the browser itself, and on top of that, we're going to be looking inside of my mobile device and telling you guys if Cryptotab browser profitable or not. So let's get started right away with this method. So here is the website browser right here, and you can see it says Cryptotab browser, and the first thing I'm pretty sure you guys notice is my network mining right here, guys. So these are pretty much like referrals. It does have a down system, but watch this. Now don't look at any of this video about my referrals income, guys. This is not really what I want to talk about. So as you can see, I have made $31 in affiliate profits, but you can see my total mined, and I started out at zero whenever I actually downloaded the application and spent the around $4 or $2 around that price range for the application inside of the Google Play Store or App Store, guys. So there's two methods, or you can use this on any device that you have that has the Google Play Store or Apple device, guys. So now look at this. So as you can see, I'm mining 500 hashes right here, and if I click on this button that says enable cloud boost times 10, which is this right there, guys, you can see it just starts to spike up 10 times as much. So look at that. Now I'm already at 5,000 hashes every second, and this is going to help me accumulate more crypto or more Bitcoin every single second, guys. So this is a really insane way to start making money with this actual browser itself. You don't even have to browse on this, guys. You just come in here, click on this, and leave this page running, and then it's going to start to accumulate some passive income down here where it says your balance, and you can see I already earned around $4.80 on this phone, guys. So this is a really insane way to make money. So the reason why I'm saying is that I actually purchased 3 mobile devices for around 10x. So we can see that price right here. So let's click on this one right there. So let's click on Cloud Boost real quick. Let's go to unlock more boosts, and you can see this right here, guys. So I went inside of the 3 device limit. I clicked on the 10x, which I spent $10.33 on each device. So that's around $30 I have invested just for this, and I had this running for about, let's say, a week on my phone. So I started at zero. Now a week later, I'm already up to $5, just about $5, and you can see that right here, guys, on the approximate USD value. So it says right there for approximately USD $4.80. So that's already $5. So another, let's say, a month, I would have my almost my ROI back already. So you can see that this is profitable as long as the Cryptotab browser is still running and paying out to everybody that uses it. So guys, I'm going to be leaving my link down in the description if you are interested in using the Cryptotab browser. And on top of that, if you want to start to learn how to make money with YouTube, make sure you keep on watching this video. Now there is a small thing I want to let you guys know really quick, is the key to actually making money with cryptocurrency is staying consistent on websites, staying consistent on certain methods, because the moment you stop, that income stops. So you need to stay consistent and start to diversify your cryptocurrency, not leave it in one platform, because every platform in crypto is risky. This is not financial advice. This is just me showing you what I am doing with my crypto and how I start to earn it passively, guys. As you can see right here, guys, here is the referral system. So I only personally referred around 80 people, and only 3 of my people that I referred are active. But as you can see, those 80 people referred other people, and look at that, 1,545 people. So this has a really good affiliate system, and if you guys want to learn how to actually get affiliate and referrals without making YouTube videos, make sure you comment that down below. Make sure you leave your Bitcoin address as well, because Bitcoin is kind of like plateauing. So I'm going to be doing the giveaway pretty soon for last week and this week's videos, guys. So bear with me and just keep on commenting your Bitcoin addresses so you can get more chances in earning crypto and free Bitcoin for me, guys. So thank you for watching. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do you do? You jump straight up, and you wonder what
So
the
as
heck
you guys
just
can
happened.
hear that volume, any
Well,
background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.